Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 408, and I received this question yesterday via email. It says, I've had 2 people contact me via my Facebook page asking me about specific photos I took at the wedding. One actually offered to pay me for images. In this case, I told her I will be delivering an online gallery to the bride and she would have access to download the full resolution files from there. If she wants professional prints, we can discuss that after the bride receives the images. In the future, how should these situations be handled for a wedding where you have an agreement with the bride and groom? Can photos be released, sold to the guests/bridal party? Should I ever give photos to someone other than the bride and groom? For those of you that are wedding photographers, what is your approach to this? I'll tell you my approach, and I don't know that there's a right or wrong answer here, but I will say your agreement is with the bride and groom, and if you deliver the high resolution files as part of that agreement, then my tendency, which I do, my tendency is to tell people at the wedding to get in touch with the bride and she could share her link and you can download them from her gallery because that's included in the package. So I've never sold any photos, prints, digital files to guests at weddings ever. That just hasn't been my approach. I felt like the agreement is with the bride and groom. Legally, they're their images and they can choose what they want to do. So if they want to share that with their friends and family, including the download information, then I suppose that would be up to them. I don't know what this would look like if you are a photographer that does not include files with your coverage. So in that case, gosh, I'm not sure. I would assume that if you put a gallery online with a shopping cart, bride does not get the high resolution files, you could indeed share that shopping cart with the bride, who could then share it with her guests and they could purchase photos. I don't see a problem with that. Unless there's something I'm missing, and please feel free to leave a comment and let me know if there's something I'm not considering here, because it just hasn't crossed my mind. Again, my model includes the files, so I've always just said to people, hey, get in touch with the bride and she can provide the files for you. But if you didn't include the files, then having a gallery with a shopping cart may be the answer. But really, I would love, please, I beg of you, to hear from you. If you photograph weddings, what does your package look like, and what has been your approach with guests at the weddings, at your weddings or bridal party asking for photos? Please leave a comment because it helps everybody learn and grow, and I'll see you in the next video.